Plate program has been going on for 3 years. We just completed our 3rd year. And it started with a combination of looking at horticulture, local horticulture, and also nutrition education, and applying for a Mass Department of Agricultural Resources grant.
There was a need from the community. We had outreach from partners that were looking for some nutrition programs and activities for the senior population here on the Cape, which is a significant demographic.
The Seed to Play program entails 2 different components, a nutrition component and also horticulture component, looking at local agriculture, promoting local agriculture. So we utilize our master gardeners who will do an educational presentation to show people how to plant seedlings, fertilize, water, and then talk about subsequent planting. And the other component of nutrition is to promote local agriculture utilizing farmers markets, and particularly using SNAP and accessing HIP benefits, the Healthy Incentive Program benefits at those markets. The Healthy Incentive Program is something that's supported by the Mass Department of Agricultural Resources, and it's a way for people to expand and extend their SNAP benefits so they can utilize that SNAP EBT card at participating HIP vendor at a farmer's market or farm stand. So it's a way to get free fruits and vegetables, but also supporting our local agriculture and local economy.
It's well known that eating fresh and local food has nutritional value and is a good method of preventative medicine and health. We wanted to bring that education to the senior population, but incorporate a hands-on activity and some self-sufficiency so that the seniors can have these accessible planter boxes and grow their own foods, and then have some background on how to use that and what to do with the products that they grow.
Master gardeners volunteer their time. We give them a short list outline of things to cover, and usually we have 2 at a time, and they will show us how to use the earth boxes, the Earth Box Juniors that were provided. Nutrition educators will do a nutrition demo, so basically utilizing the plants that are chosen, the seedlings that are chosen, will demonstrate a recipe, a very easy recipe to really capitalize on the freshness of local and also lead to more sustainable growing for the seniors that are involved. This year we did a couple of different salads, and I did a salad that included fresh chopped herbs. Particularly we used basil and parsley this year, and just to magnify the freshness, but also to talk about how nutritious using different fresh herbs can be. When the earth boxes were filled, people were very excited. We obviously had their names on each of them, and they wanted to make sure that they were going to go into a sunny location and get watered regularly, and they were assured as such. So they were very excited and proud, and it definitely was a social experience. They were asking lots of questions of each other. I think they're learning from each other, and then having their trip to the farmers market. This was a way to work with the Cape Cod Regional Transit Authority to bring people to the farmers markets, and they had offered their services, which was really generous.
I was able to take part in that, and people just loved getting out. And those who maybe typically wouldn't go to a farmer's market because they weren't familiar, they'd never been before, or even just didn't have the means to get there, they didn't have transportation, we're very grateful. We do have plans to continue and expand the program to other communities in need.
Healthy fresh food is available to everyone on the Cape, and we're just trying to make it easier for them to access it.